Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so it's, what time is it here? It's like 1:30 in the morning. We just ordered pizza. I'm not even gonna tell you guys how much it is.
It was
We ordered,
cheap.
yeah, we ordered way too much. We got caramel dipping sauce for our funnel cake sticks. We got a pizza. I'm a vegetarian, so.
Got a veggie pizza?
It's a veggie pizza. We just added hot peppers because that's it. We got.
Chrystal, you can't be saying words like that.
Shoot. Sorry, I can't be swearing. Creamy garlic dipping sauce with some curly fries.
And a Nestea.
Oh yeah, Nestea. Fun fact: I can't even be drinking Nestea because it has caffeine in it, and I'm breastfeeding. It affects my breast milk, but
This one only has 16 milligrams.
whatever. I'm still taking it because I'm hungry. I mean, because I want it. It has nothing to do with hungry. Anyways, some people would put like, yo, the pizza guy was like, pizza guy was like, oh, this is a lot of food. Is it only you two? But I don't know if I've told you guys. Melani's gonna wake up. 1 minute. She's good. Okay. I don't know if I told you guys. My kid's father lives in Alberta. Lives in Alberta out here before. I don't remember what I tell you guys. Anyways, so we're out here for a visit. Maybe I told you guys that in the first vlog. Whatever, who cares? Anyways, so we're out here. We've been out here for like, I don't know, 2 weeks. How long have we been out here for? Like 2 weeks. I was thinking about doing a mukbang, but I don't really know what to talk to you guys about. And Chandel's got to agree to do it with me because then I'm just going to be sitting there talking to you guys like...
What did you say?
About doing a mukbang. I don't know, but I did want to just record this because I can go in the video. What else? There's nothing really else because if I sit down and have a mukbang by myself, I'm going to be telling you guys like stuff that you do not need to know because I got nobody to talk to.
Oh my god, you're smart.
I got nobody to talk to, so I'll just be telling you guys stuff that I should not be even telling anybody because
Did you want water?
I just need someone to talk to. Yeah, get me a water too. I'll take a water.
Do you want one of the frozen water or the non-frozen?
Non-frozen. Okay. I came out here and I was supposed to like go for a run every night. I didn't do that. Haven't done it. I've just been eating worse than I was eating in Ontario, I feel like. Actually, no. Sometimes I'm eating good. Like, we went shopping and everything. But we would do nothing. We'd eat all day. So, I don't know how good that was for us, but...
It wasn't good for us.
It's not good.
Fine.
Honestly,
it all tastes good.
I'm definitely eating more
These
here.
are the jalapeno poppers.
I forgot about those. Yes! Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so you have to watch in your language.
I know. I'm sorry.
Didn't we get... Wait.
No, those are Western.
Yeah, we got 3 of them.
Yeah. What do you mean? This one. Oh, I'm on it.
That's fries.
Oh. Hell no. Oh, it's right there. I put it over there.
Oh my god, Kristen, this scares me.
One papa for you, one papa for me. One papa for you, one papa for me. One papa for you, one papa for me. One papa for you,
One of yours fell.
one papa for me.
No.
One papa for you, one papa for me. One papa for you.
Okay, I guess.
Okay.
Look at throwing the garbage around. Come on, man.
So,
Get your stuff
and we got
together.
jalapeno poppers.
Are they good?
Hell no. This is chicken.
You're joking. We didn't order chicken.
You guys didn't need to see that. I'm sorry.
You opened it.
Okay, so that was disgusting because, like I said, I don't eat meat. It was fucking chicken.
Chrystal, watch your
Chanel, you're swearing in the video. Okay. So, yeah. So I don't know.
Where are we supposed to be putting this stuff?
I guess I can give you like a little update. We haven't done anything. Like I said, just eat. We went to like this little splash pad thingy.
Yo, I don't know about you, but I'm moving this table over to my spot.
Yeah, as long as you do it quietly, I don't care. Okay, so. Yeah, so we went to this little splash pad thingy with the kids. And Miguel's dad. And my kid's father. There you go. It's been an interesting trip, that's for sure. But yeah, I don't know. I hope you guys don't think I'm high, because I'm not. I'm not. We go for walks. We eat a lot of ice cream. This little barn down the road. We go to it all the time.
You can't tell people we're supposed to not be eating.
Took me a while to go play basketball the other day. Take the dogs for walks. Maybe I'll show the dogs. They're cute. They're huskies. I don't know.
We'll show you them when you're clean. You guys should. If
They're cute. They're cute pins in the asses with they are. I don't know. What else have we done, Shen? We're supposed to go to this place called the Eastling Center. It's in Grand Prairie. We haven't gone yet. We want to go get our nails done, but we haven't done that. Miguel watches a lot of Paw Patrol. Your dad's a tow truck driver, so he's just been towing. I really don't know what else to talk about. I think that's everything. Like, we wanted to go to Jasper, but I don't think we're gonna be able to do that. I'd love to go to Banff and stuff. Like, I don't know. One day I'll take the kids myself. I've broken out a little bit. I need to do a cucumber mask. I chopped it up. I haven't done it. I don't know what the hell I'm waiting for. Kids are sleeping. Their dad is sleeping. I'm at the stove with the light on, talking in the middle of the house. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's been boring a little bit, but I also love it because I'm here with my kids. We get to see their parents together. Okay, I actually don't usually eat with my mouth open. I don't know why I'm doing that. It's really nasty. Yeah, this is not really a mukbang. I just thought I'd come on here. I haven't recorded any videos. And I should have. So now I'm just gonna go pick it out at 1:30 in the morning and hope it decides to locate itself to my ass instead of anywhere else. I'll take a little bit of my boobs, you know, why not? Yeah, so anyways, yeah, so look at how long my hair's getting. Guys, if you only knew when I shave my head and my curls are there. Anyways, yeah, check us in the next video, clip, whatever. Peace out, my little Martians.